Computer Basics Multiple Choice Question and Answers Series 2. DVD is having more storage capacity than CD. True or false? Answer A. True. Tally is open software, closed software, application software, system software, all of the above. C. Application software. VLSI is used in dash generation of computer. First, second, third, fourth, all of the above. Option D. Fourth. Dash consists of set of instructions. Software, hardware, program, device driver, none of the above. Answer C. Program. Dash consists of set of programs. Software, hardware, program, device driver, none of the above. Answer A. Software. Dash interprets and executes set of instructions. CPU, VDU, printer, scanner, none of the above. Answer A. CPU. Paintbrush is text editor. True or false? Answer B. False. Notepad is text editor. True or false? Answer A. True. Keyboard converts typed in character to dash code. EBCDIC, ASCII, decimal, binary, none of the above. Answer B. ASCII. Dash unit control the operation of CPU. ALU, RAM, CU, BU, none of the above. Option C. CU. Which of the following is not the classification of computers based on application? Electronic computers, digital computers, none, all. Answer C. None. Which one of the following is not a feature of third generation languages? They need to get translated. They are easy to use more than MMLs. They are faster than MLLs. They use compilers and interpreters. C. They are faster than MLLs. Which is the type of memory for information that does not change on your computer? RAM, RW or RAM, ERAM. They use compilers and interpreters. B. RW or RAM. Which characteristics of computer distinguishes it from electronic calculation? Accuracy, storage, versatility, automatic. B. Storage. Open source software is very costly. True or false? Answer B. False. Operating system is hardware, software which manages resources of the system, software which performs computation, none. Answer B. Software which manages resources of the system. WWW stands for World Whole Web, Wide World Web, Web World Wide, World Wide Web. Answer B. World Wide Web. Which of the following are components of central processing unit? Arithmetic logic unit, mouse, arithmetic logic unit, control unit, arithmetic logic unit, integral circuits, control unit, monitor. Answer B. Arithmetic logic unit, control unit. Which among following first generation of computers had vacuum tubes and magnetic drum, integrated circuits, magnetic tape and transistors, all of the above? Answer A. Vacuum tubes and magnetic drum. Where is RAM located? Expansion board, external drive, motherboard, all of the above. C. Motherboard. If a computer has more than one processor, then it is known as uniprocess, multiprocessor, multi-threaded, multi-programming. Answer B. Multiprocessor. SQL is related with Database, Photoshop, LAN, WAN. A database. Computer Basics Series 3 will be continued. Thanks for watching.